Alright guys, welcome back. We got the water pump in. But before we get into the radiator, let's move on to some belts and some pulleys. Let's just pick up. Let's keep going. Let's just keep going. Get this car ready. Check this out, boys. Like I said, it's all back in. I just need to screw these bolts back in. I'm just leaving them kind of loose so I can just, knock everything up. But look at that. I even got the screws facing down towards the floor so that if it blows next time, your boy can just go straight after it. We made it, boys. Let's keep going. All right, so let's replace the tensioner pulley on my car. I think I figured out how to use this torque wrench. You have to put it on a level, you have to put it on like a level surface and then power it on, and then it'll zero itself out. And you can't touch it when you first turn it on. You just have to leave it alone and let it do its thing. You set it, the foot-pounds, and then you set the degrees. And then when you use it, it'll just, once it hits the foot-pound mark, it'll automatically do the degree. And you can save some pre-settings and all that type of stuff in it. But yeah, let's move on to the tensioner pulley and get that out and replace the belt. Okay, so to remove the belt and replace the tensioner, we're gonna need two torques, big T60 and a T50. The T50 is to remove the tensioner and the T60 is to loosen the tensioner so we can take off the belt. And just like that, we're gonna turn it clockwise. Clockwise, it's just like to come loose. Just like that, and you can slip off the belt. Got our new boy here. I'll leave a diagram from the book so you guys can see what I'm doing. You know what I think went bad? I think the water pump went bad. Because when I was spinning the blade in the water pump, it was very hard to turn. That's it. This belt doesn't actually look bad. This belt looks kind of neat. I'm gonna replace it anyway. Okay, so now to get the tensioner off, we go for we're gonna pop out the little cap. Pop out the little cap. Switch our torques. And then we're going to remove the tensioner. Require a little bit of strength. there it is. One tensioner, delete. Well, not delete, but yeah. And the new one goes in. And the new one comes with the pin. Well, the other one did come with the pin that holds the tensioner in place so that you're able to slip the belt around, and then you pull clockwise, remove this pin, and then the belt will tighten. Very nice. It's not really going to prevent the engine from eating the belt. I mean, it's a lot safer, but what we really should be going for is the oil filter housing, and we'll do that later. Because once that starts to leak, it can drip on the belt, and then that's what I've heard. The engine can eat the belt, so we're going to change that out later. Let's get this torque. We also can't forget that beauty cover. Put it right back on there. Make it look pimpy. All right, so it's 18 foot-pounds, 19 degrees. Okay, so let me get this belt on, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Here we are, like that. Put that part down. Move this part over there like so. It's back on. Now the only thing we need to do is loosen the tensioner by turning it clockwise, and then removing the pin, and everything should be nice and tight again. Let's get to it. Save this pin. It'll come in handy. Trust me. I'm gonna start putting this car back together again, and in the next stage we will bleed the car. We will bleed pretty much all the air bubbles out of the system. So, see you guys in the next one. Join me, friends. Join me. I'm the last of the Diamond League.